When it comes to picking the best market research tools for sellers, the options can be overwhelming. In today's video, we'll be comparing Wix versus SaleHoo, which has better market research tools for sellers. By the end, you'll know which platform could better suit your needs and help you make the best decision for your business. So, stick around because we'll cover key insights about both tools, and you'll want to hear what I think about them at the end. First up, Wix. Wix is a popular website builder known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for creating an online presence without requiring coding knowledge. But when it comes to market research tools, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Wix offers basic features like Google Analytics integration, which is helpful for tracking website traffic and customer behavior. However, it's not specifically tailored to deep market research or competitor analysis. For sellers who need detailed insights into consumer trends or competitor data, Wix's offerings can feel limited. Next thing, let's talk about SaleHoo. SaleHoo is a platform specifically built for e-commerce sellers, providing both supplier directories and market research tools. Unlike Wix, which is more focused on site building, SaleHoo's market research tools are a bit more in-depth. They offer access to a supplier database, which includes product trends, pricing, and other vital information. It's a fantastic tool for discovering profitable products to sell. However, SaleHoo does come with a membership fee, so it's not exactly a cheap option if you're just starting out. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Wix has the advantage here, hands down. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to get started, even if you have no prior experience with website design or online marketing. But when it comes to using SaleHoo for market research, while it's straightforward, the platform does require more setup and can take some time to get used to, especially if you're new to e-commerce. Now, let's talk about price. Wix has a free plan, but you'll need a premium plan to unlock more robust market research tools. Premium plans can get expensive depending on the features you need, but it's still affordable for small businesses. On the other hand, SaleHoo has an annual membership fee that can be a bit steep for new sellers. But if you're committed to growing your e-commerce business and want access to their supplier database and research tools, it's worth the investment for serious sellers. The fifth thing is scalability. Wix works well for beginners, but can become cumbersome if your business grows and you need more advanced tools. While it's great for starting out, there are limits to how far you can scale with Wix in terms of market research. SaleHoo, however, is designed for more advanced sellers and includes tools that allow you to analyze trends and suppliers on a larger scale, which makes it a solid choice as your business grows. Finally, if you're looking for the best overall market research tool for sellers, it really depends on what you're after. Wix is a fantastic option for those starting out and who need an easy-to-use platform to launch their website. But if you're looking for more specialized market research and supplier data, SaleHoo is your go-to platform. Both platforms have their merits, but after testing both myself, I'd say that SaleHoo's focus on market research and supplier directories makes it the better choice for sellers looking to dive deeper into e-commerce. However, if you want a more comprehensive solution that offers a solid all-around experience, you might want to consider an alternative. If you want a better option than Wix or SaleHoo for market research tools, then I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Make sure to take advantage of that offer, and I'll see you in the next video.